This is our table cutter and this is how to use it. Just place it like so and cut it. Make sure that the soap is touching the edges that side and push it, right? Do you see how it was going? Sorry, I didn't get the video very well, but this is how to push it, right? Do you see it? Do you see what I was doing here? So make sure that the edges of the soap is touching the side of the cutter, right? That ruler, that side serves as a kind of a ruler, right? You push it this way. This is the first stage. So the first stage, this particular size that is tiny is the first stage. It will cut it into long bars of soap, right? And because it's half mold that we did, this is the how it is. Had it been that it's full mold, this soap will be bigger than this. Then when it is bigger than this, that is when the second stage will play a role, right? So we now want to trim it out since it's half mold. But if it is full mold, this particular side will now cut the soap into two long bars. We'll divide it into long bars of soap, right? Do you see how beautiful it's trim it and everything comes out equally fine? Then this is what we did because it was half mold. But if it is full mold, we will cut it into two long bars. It will divide it into long bars. Then at the last stage, we are going to cut it into short bars like tablet soap. Now we are cutting it into tablet soap. You can notice that this my soap, the edges of that soap is touching that line. It serves as ruler for you. Do you see it? Very fine. This is our cutter, our table cutter. This is just 65,000 naira. It comes with stamp, right? With two molds, and it can cut two different sizes of soap, small soap and bigger soap. This size of soap and then bigger soap, right? And it also comes with side groove, right? Should in case you don't have money to buy the 65k own, right? Buy the 35k own. The mini cutter is still good. Think if you want the video for the mini cutter, you chat me, I'll still send you the video, right? But this particular one is 65,000 naira. It comes with stamp, it comes with two molds, it comes with side groove, right? Everything is 65,000 naira. Chat me on the WhatsApp on the number on the screen so that we will take it up from there. We deliver nationwide, but my location is Anambra State, Nnewi to be precise, right? Thank you and God bless you. No scam zone. We deliver and we use quality wood for this our cutter production. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for buying.